Hi cuties, my name is Samiksha and in today's video I'll share the shimmery peachy makeup look with you all. I hope you like it, and if you do then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm applying a serum. This hydrates and nourishes my skin. It makes it better to apply creamy products like foundation or concealer smoothly. The serum I'm applying is from Ninja. It contains vitamin C. I prefer applying serum even though I have oily skin because it gives my skin a natural glow. Now I'm applying a moisturizer from Wow Skin Science. Again, it contains vitamin C. The reason to apply moisturizer is that it prepares our skin to apply makeup by providing a smoother surface. It makes your skin hold the moisture and prevents the foundation from getting dry and cakey. Next, I'm applying a concealer. The reason I apply concealer instead of foundation is that I don't like full coverage products because they feel very heavy on skin. I'm just concealing the dark circles and dark spots I have. I'm blending it with my fingers only because it is easier for me with fingers as compared to brush or sponge because this product has a thick and creamy texture. Make sure to apply on your eyelids too to get the better pigmentation of the eyeshadow. After applying creamy products, it is a must to apply loose powder or a compact powder to make sure that whichever products we have applied does not crease on your skin. Here I'm laughing because my mom was sitting next to me and was watching me shooting, and that made me kind of shy. Make sure to apply on your eyelids too so that our eye makeup has a proper powdered base which helps in blending eyeshadows without sticking one place on your skin. First, take a darker peach shade and apply it on your outer V, then slowly blend it towards the inner corner, creating a gradient. Blend out the shadow on the outer V so that it looks well blended without creating a patch. Then take a nude eyeshadow which is closer to your eyelid shade and blend the dark peach shade into your eyelid so that the eyeshadow doesn't create a harsh line. Then take a lighter shade and apply it in your inner corner and slowly merge into the darker shade. And I'm doing the same on my other eyelid. The shimmer, I'm using shimmer from my palette, but if you don't have shimmer shades, there is no need to buy it separately. Instead, you can use a highlighter. Apply it in the exact middle part of your lid where you have blended both the shades. You can use a flat brush or your fingers. I applied it with my fingers for better pigmentation. See how pretty and glamorous it looks. Next, I'm contouring my face with a darker brown shade from the palette itself. Contouring makes the face look slimmer and well defined. It should be applied on your cheekbone, jawline and nose. The trick to find your perfect contour shade is to choose 2 shades darker than your actual skin tone. It defines your cheeks and creates a perfect shadow of your cheekbones. Make a pout and where you see a slight shadow, that is your area to do contouring. For the blush, we will choose a light pink shade because we already have a red peach toned eyeshadow, so choosing a light blusher shade will perfectly match our makeup. I really like this blush on me because see how good it complements my face. Here I was trying to show you guys how dewy and glowy my cheeks were. Next I'm applying a highlighter. Here just me trying to show you the highlighter because for some reason it was not so visible in the camera. For the mascara, I am using Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This has a liquidy texture and it performs as a lengthening mascara. It makes your lashes appear long. I have used this mascara so many times, still I can't stop talking about this. I'm applying a lipstick. It is a light nude shade. I'm keeping my lips on a lighter tone because I want to focus on my eyes. It is my favorite nude shade. I have tried so many nude brown shades but no one matches my tone like this does. Here's the final look. Tell me in the comments if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.